Hello everyone, Earl Henderson, Primordial Defense. Thank you for watching. This video is going to be an unboxing video of the Highwild adjustable target stand base for paper shooting targets. So, back when Amazon Prime was having their Amazon days, I came across this product and I forgot how much it was being listed for Amazon days, but I saw it and I thought, cool, that's a pretty good price. Unfortunately, due to miscommunication, I didn't order it on Amazon Prime Day. So I ended up ordering it on a different day outside of that. But even ordering it outside of that day is still a decent price, I thought. Looking at Amazon right now, it's listed at $29.99. So for around $30 or so, a portable target stand is inside this box. Now, they ship the box with targets printed on each front and back, which I think is pretty cool. That way you can take the cardboard box that it came in and use it as a target. So I had another company that did this. It was an ammo company, and I cannot remember the name of the company, but it was back when the pandemic was going on and all this ammo was hard to find, and I ordered some ammo from them, and the box they shipped it in, the box turned into a target, which I thought was pretty cool. Now, my only gripe about the target being printed on the outside is when they go to slap on shipping labels and stuff like that, it's obviously going to be on the outside of the box. So you can kind of see right here where I peeled a barcode sticker off. It was starting from here, going probably out to about here. And so it was a pretty good size sticker. This sticker up here, I've already folded it, but it starts here and it went all the way down to about here. Now, luckily, the adhesive on it was not very aggressive, and I was able to peel this back and get it to come off. Works this time. I don't know if it will work that easily for other people. So, because shipping labels will be slapped on the outside of this box, I think it would probably be a better idea to print the target on the inside of the box. That way, if they slap a bunch of shipping labels on there and they stick really well, then it won't be a messed up target. Using my tactical kitchen knife to do the unboxing. I always think it's funny when dudes whip out these like heavy duty tactical knives and pop open the tape on the box like they, did some super ninja stuff, and it's like, yeah, you could accomplish that with a kitchen knife there, bud. Alright, so nothing else on the inside of the box, but like I said, you've got targets on each side of the box, which I think is pretty cool. Flip this the other way. Comes with directions, the warranty information. Pretty self-explanatory. So what's cool about this thing is it's adjustable that way. So I can adjust it out to, well, that far. So that way, depending on what kind of paper targets I may be using, some may be wider than others, you can scale this back and forth as needed. It comes with holes on the base right there, so you can stake it down to the ground. This thing is pretty light. Pretty light. It doesn't hardly weigh anything, so when you go to put targets on it, you know, you put your 1x2s in the mouse right here, and you put your target up. The wind could very easily make this thing fall over. So like other steel target stands, yeah, they're obviously better because they're heavier and they're not going to tip over as easily, but you get a bunch of those, like they're pretty dang heavy. This, I mean, yeah, there's weight to it, but I mean, not that much at all. And now, one downside to this thing, it's made in China. I did not know that when I ordered it. I just thought it was an American thing, but looking at the product details, it is made in China. So if you're not wanting something that's made in China, then obviously this is not going to be for you. But if you're okay with that, then this is what you get. And I mean, it's sturdy enough to withstand abuse. I don't see any problems with that whatsoever. The only negative thing to its physical attributes is its weight. It's just not that heavy to be anchored to the ground very well and resist wind. So it's most likely on a windy day going to require stakes to hold this thing down. All right, that's it. Not much else to say about this product. If you like what you hear and see, go ahead and give me a like and a share. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Earl Henderson, Primordial Defense. Thank you for watching.